Hello friends! Introduce my full name is Victoria Angelita Budi. So this time I will explain how a rainbow was formed. So for those of you who want to know, please watch the following video. How the rainbow process occurs and its explanation according to sky. One of the things that many people wait for after the rain is a rainbow. A rainbow is a colorful arc of light that usually appears in the sky after rain. But what exactly is a rainbow? Why don't rainbows always appear after it rains? Condition for a rainbow to assure rainbows do not necessarily occur every time it rains. There are several factors that must be met in order for a rainbow to form. The first factor is that the sun must be above the horizon line. The sun's light should not be blocked by clouds, mountains, or other obstacles. In addition, the position of the sun must be slightly lower. If we are in the same position as the horizon line, then the sun needs to be at an angle of 42 degrees so that the rainbow can be seen from where we are standing. Rainbows always appear on the side of the sky opposite the sun. So, when you see a rainbow, the sun will be behind you. Because of this, the air on the side of the sky opposite you should contain lots of water droplets, like after rain. Rainbows don't just happen after rain. Rainbows can also be formed as long as they meet the condition mentioned above. For example, in a waterfall or on a beach near a cliff where the waves are strong so that lots of water splashes into the air. In both cases, you may see a rainbow. The rainbow process is a natural phenomenon, which is an optical process. The process of the formation of the sun involves three states, namely reflection, dispersion, and refraction. The first process is reflection. Water droplets in the air can act like tiny mirrors. When sunlight hits water droplets, most of the light will be reflected back. When it rains, the air will contain many water droplets that form like curtains, and each of the small water droplets will reflect back the incoming sunlight. However, you must be wondering, sunlight is white. Why are rainbows colorful? The answer to this question relates to the second process, namely dispersion. The dispersion of light is the phenomenon of the decomposition of light. Sunlight looks white when sunlight hits and is reflected by water droplets. The light will be dispersed and whitened so that the colors in the rainbow appear. The third process is light refraction. When sunlight penetrates water droplets and is reflected in a slightly different direction. This is called the refraction of light. Each color will be refracted in a different direction. The differences in the direction of this light is affected by its wavelength of its light. This is what causes the rainbow light to spread and widen like a fan. Red light has the longest wavelength wavelength, which is 650 nanometers. Red light will be appear as the outermost color in the arc of the rainbow. Meanwhile, purple has the short wavelength, which is 400 nanometers. An example of the difference in the direction of refraction of light is that red light will be reflected from water droplets with a greater angle of curvature than orange light. This is like refraction process makes the colors of the rainbow order from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. We also know the order of the colors of the rainbow with the term Magico Hibinion. Why is the rainbow curved? Rainbows are shaped like curve because we only see a half circle of light reflected by the water droplets. The center point of the rainbow circle is called the antisolar point, which is the point directly opposite the sun. Okay, that's all for me.